How's it going, guys? I thought I'll just take you right over the shoulder today and show you what I'm doing. So I'm currently writing an affiliate post. Now, I've shown you many times before how I actually compose or construct my post. Now, this is a money post. So this one's all about, trying to get someone to actually click and buy. Now, you're going to want to test and see what works best for you. But what I've found to work on my website is if I give a bit of information at first and then go into the affiliate section of the post. But some people go straight in with the affiliate product and then obviously, give information thereafter. But I tend to do it the other way around. I believe it looks a lot more genuine as well if you get to read a little bit about, a few questions that you may have before reading the post, and then obviously going into the post itself. Now, what I tend to do at the top of the post is you can see that I've obviously, got the keyword here. So the keyword is that's what I'm going for, which I've found using my key search tool, keyword tool that you can find below. I've got videos on that as well. But yeah, so I've obviously, constructed and composed the post to talk to the person, of what they'll be feeling and whatever. So I'm posting it at this month, which is around March 2019. And I know it's the new year. So new year comes with new goals, and you're really looking for the best offers in the new year. That's why some people wait until January sales and all that kind of thing. Yeah. So obviously I'm telling them that what I'm gonna give them in the post. So they're gonna know exactly from the beginning immediately what they can expect from the rest of the post. So in this post, I'll be showing all the best golden retriever dog toys this year. Now, what I've also done is stuffed my keyword there as well. So when I say best golden retriever dog toys, that's it right there. That's my keyword within the first 100. I think that's first 100. Yeah, first 100 words. Now, it doesn't matter if you don't put it in the first 100. I've still ranked without doing that, but it's good practice to do so. So as you come down, you can see obviously, where are the toys from? So I'm telling them openly where I'm going to be listing these toys from, Amazon, and then I explain why. So I'm telling them exactly. Now, this is something I've not seen anyone do. Okay. Now, this is my author of the blog and whatever. That's who I'm using, the persona in that sense. And then, have they been tested? And then I say I've tested them, whatever, which is obviously stretching the truth, and that's the truth there. But yeah, so then you've got top 5 dog toys. So then I've got all of the different toys, but what I'm doing is the way I compose this post is basically I line up what kind of what kind of toys I'd like to put in. So what I've done is just went and Googled, one of the top ranking websites. So first of all, I wanted to see, what has the best click-through rate, and it was this here. So this was like best dog toys of 2019. So this had a good click-through rate, which was what are the best dog toys of 2019. Now, I always try and make my post into a question form, or if it's a listicle, then it might be a how-to guide or top 10 this and so on and so forth. But this is like, what are the best golden retriever toys, what are the best golden retriever toys for 2019? So I've basically taken that title and put it into my golden retriever format. So it's the same thing. I know it gets a good click-through rate because they're at the top ranking. Okay. And obviously there's other variables that then matter with why they're ranking at the top. They could have good backlinks, they could have a good composed page and all of that. But I believe the title's good, so I'm going to use it. Okay. So now this is just a generic post that is on the internet. So this is just like, one that's just ranking number 1. Now, this is for just dogs, but I'm tailoring this for golden retrievers. So what I've done is basically taken like a few of these and looked at them on Amazon to make sure they're good products. So when you're actually doing your Amazon affiliate products that you're promoting to people, you want to make sure they've got good ratings. Okay. So these are Amazon choice products. If you check all of the products they've listed here, they're all Amazon choice. Now, when I buy myself, their link doesn't even work there. When I buy myself, I don't buy things unless it's usually Amazon choice myself anyway, unless it's like, something that I really want outside of that. But I find that Amazon choice products, they only can make it there if they're really, really good. So it's not actually, the seller that's done anything to manipulate this. It's actually customer reviews, how they handle, returns for customers, everything. Like there's the whole thing, the whole shebang inside of this of how someone establishes the Amazon choice position. So it tells me that they're a good vendor and they're good for potential readers of the blog. Okay, so what you would do next is I basically opened them and I managed to get like a few toys there, but I never got them all. So I don't, obviously I do them one by one. So what I did is I came down and then I done the first toy, I took the name, started writing it, and then I also put straight underneath. What I find is that links work good near images. I don't know why, like it's just like they get a high click-through rate. So when you've got an image and then the link, they're kind of like, more prone to clicking the link. So I've got like I try to put like 1 or 2 images per paragraph, like that I'm talking about each specific toy. So what I do is I break down each toy into sections of, what questions people will have around the toy. So they're going to want to know what it looks like. So I've got an image there. Then if you see on Amazon, now this is another, technique that I use that not a lot of people I've seen use, is that when you go down on Amazon, you usually see that there's a suggested tab for another toy that people can buy, so another product in that sense. So if I clicked on, say for example this, a lot of these products go hand in hand with another one, so frequently bought together. So what I do is pair them up. So on this you can see, like if I was to open this link here, I'll show you this product, and then it goes hand in hand with another one. So this is like, the chewer wishbone or whatever, and then it also goes with this. But I found the dental chewer. Let's just see, chew toy for dogs. I used the dental chewer, and that was this, and that basically goes hand in hand. So it's the same company as well. And what I did is I basically talked about, the wishbone product, which is there, and then I also talk about the this image goes along with the blah 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 that is used to help with aggressive triggers. Yeah, so that's what you want to do, and pair them up. And then I describe the appearance, like, and how it is for the dog to handle. Now where I'm getting all of this information is from reviews. So what I do is I come down, and this is how I make it genuine information, because I just come and I check the reviews. So you might want to sort by the best ones. There's always going to be a few negative reviews, which I would also say throw in from time to time. But you want to just come and, read the reviews and see what people are saying, and then use it as for your, if you haven't yet bought this product or whatever, then this is a way of getting an honest review on the product, because it's from people who have purchased it. And sometimes you get images that you can use as well. Okay, now that's one technique. And then what I do is I also put like the cons, because if people find that you're just preaching that it's great, they're going to think, okay, well, this is, the person's just trying to sell me something. You have to think, even from your own self, if you were going to buy something, you want to know the good and the bad. Yeah, so I put like 9 out of 10, yeah, purely because the toy was getting stuck around some dog's jaws. Now if we go back up to that toy, let's go back to the one that this one here, you'll see the bad reviews stuck around a dog's jaw. Yeah, so if they come, they'll see that. See, so it's genuine. Look, do not blah blah blah. So there's always going to be a few bad products that people get annoyed with and whatever. But so that's that anyway. So you can see that's how that goes with that. Yeah, those two, and you could even pair up the 3. Now another thing, what you could do is create a list for this. So if you wanted to, create a list, you could make it all into one for people to buy. So you see, like here, this is like a list all at once. So if I got that link like that, and I basically use that like for all 3 of the products, they would be taken straight through to referral as an affiliate, but straight onto 3 products, so they can add all 3 at once. Yeah, so that's another good technique that I use as well, like creating lists. You can create multiple different lists. You can view your list, and you can see I've done it before, funny enough. Yeah, so you can see I've done it with these products before. I've done them all in one list before. So you can create a list. Look, this is another one. So I named them, like, this is grooming tools for a golden retriever. You see that? So it's a golden retriever grooming tools list. Look, send list to others. So you can, you can share it, sorry. And then you've got this one, best dog shampoos. So I've done that as well. Look, that's a list of dog shampoos that I've put that all in one list, so you can share the list on the affiliate page. Now when you construct or compose your affiliate page, what I would say is use text links to send people over. Now some people use images, But what the problem with images is some people are not going to click the images. They're not going to know to click it. So with an actual, when you're doing like an affiliate post, using titles, I always use the titles and highlight them as an affiliate link. So you can see here they've got it there like view on Amazon, and you also want to have a clear call to action. So you want to tell them exactly what to do in order to get to the product, and then what they will get when they click the link as well. So you want to basically tell them what they're going to do for what they're going to get, and then where it's going to take them. So I always say, check out the dental chew on Amazon here, or click here to check out the latest price on rubber tire over on Amazon. So they know exactly what they're going to click. So even if someone kind of comes in and they just skip through and they're like, oh, what's this? Okay, I want to just get the product. Where do I get it? Okay, click, bang. They just know straight away. This sentence needs to make sense even if they had not read anything else on the whole post. That's the idea behind this. Okay, and you just basically rinse and repeat. So each one that I do, I basically note down the images and where they're going to go, and I put them in parentheses as well. So you can see here that I've done the post, and I mix it up sometimes. Sometimes I don't put the image right under the title, but sometimes I do. You know, it just do what works and what looks good in that sense. What's going to give them the best user experience? Because I even try and put a few videos in there and everything. So I've noted down where each thing goes. Now the way I actually do this is I'm going to basically put an image of my persona here, and then when I say they've been tested, the image of the persona will be there right under, you know, with the actual face of the person, which makes it a lot more, you know, genuine. And then image of wishbone toy goes here. So what I've done is each one that I've noted, I've created a folder for them. So I just create usually like, you know, new post folder on my desktop. And then as we open that, you can see that each one is like one. This is the dental chew toy and the wishbone toy. Okay, so that's how I do it. But I don't put that straight into my post, because this is like a little video for the toy as well. And sometimes you'll get customers that have left videos that you can use as well. And then this is like the rubber toy that I'm mixing the second one with. So I'm doubling up on the second one with hand in hand with the rubber chew toy and the rubber tire. That's both from the same manufacturer. But yeah, so what I do is I try and get 2 or 3 links into each section as well. So you want to make everything nice, clear, concise and organized, so people can come through and understand exactly what's going on. So I've got an affiliate link here, an affiliate link here, affiliate link here, and an affiliate link here. So I've got 4 on that one. Now what I will do is when I actually copy this over to my actual website, I will be no following these links. So I've got a plugin called no follow. It's just like no follow something. You basically hold control, click it, and then it gives you an option of selecting no follow. So what that means is Google or any other search engine will not crawl the links, because you don't want them to crawl your affiliate links. You just want them to crawl your genuine normal links. Now the reason why I love Google Docs is, first of all, if I type something, you see up here, watch that there, it saves every single time, so you never lose your work. Even if your computer's gonna fail or shut down or whatever, you'll never lose your work. But what's most important about this, what I love, is that basically when you want to do outbound links, I do them at the end on this actual website, because it does an automatic Google search. So when you want to get some, you know, outbound links, just say you want to do like indestructible. So if I click Command K, straight away it will find indestructible on like Wikipedia or something, and then I just click apply, and that's done. Like, so if someone reads the post, words that they may not potentially understand are the ones that you want to highlight to help them better understand the post. So something like indestructible, someone who's foreign, like in India or something like that, that might be looking at this toy, who lives in America, they might be thinking, what does indestructible mean? I kind of know what that means, but I don't. So that's when they click that, and they can be going over to Wikipedia to check it out. Okay. Now, you don't want too many of those. I'd say 1 to 2 outbound links per 1,000 words. Don't go crazy with it. It's good to have them because it helps your ranking. So you want these to be normal links. You do want the search engines to crawl this. So you want these to be crawled. The affiliate links you don't want to be crawled. Okay, so you must follow those affiliate links. Okay, and that's the way I go through it. So you can see I'm all the way down to the last bit. Now my tool tells me how many. Almost messed that up. My tool tells me how many words I need to do. So I knew I needed to get 1783 words to actually, outdo the top 10 sites. So that was the average of the top 10 ranking sites for this keyword. But I've already, beat that. So by the time, like, if you don't focus too much on how much you're writing, then you'll just go past it. So I'm already on 1900 almost 2000 words. And I haven't even done my conclusion yet. So I've still got to finish this off. But I thought, you know what, let me just record this whilst I'm doing it so you guys can see it. So this is how I break down the post. So first of all, you want to tell them what they're going to get. Then you want to break down and answer any questions that they have around the topic. And then you want to also put like an image of yourself to be like, you know what, I'm stamping and approving this. I'm putting myself behind this product or this page to tell you that all of these products are genuine, they've been tested and whatever else, however you want to word it. I don't know how far you go with that because it's a fine line, of telling the truth and lying on these kind of things. And then this toy, like blah, 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 going in, explaining it, and then putting the affiliate links and making sure that you got a few images inside of it, and then clearly instructing them on what to do. Like, you need to tell them what to do. If you don't tell someone click the link here to get this, they're not going to know to do it. So don't hold back. If you're giving a good product, then you should feel very comfortable with sending people over to the product because you know that it's good. So I always think if I had this and whatever and I owned this dog right now and I needed this toy, what ones would I buy? And I'm a excessive user of Amazon. I'm sure many of you are who are watching this video as well. So I go and see the ones that I would buy, and I would like check out these kind of things. Like, this looks really good to me, So I'm gonna put in like a picture. These kind of pictures are really good. Now, I don't know how far you can go with copying Amazon's pictures and things like that. So you might want to Google some pictures or something like that for the toy. You can usually find that. But yeah, that's exactly how I do an affiliate blog post. So this is how it kind of how I work it. I don't know how other people do it, but this is for an affiliate blog. So, some of the keywords that I target are informational, but this is an actual Best Buy review. This has a high cost per click, a high PPC. I think the cost per click on this is like $6 or something like that. So, there's a lot of buyer intent around this keyword. So I'm trying to go for this and rank for it. And it's a really easy keyword to target, very, very easy. So my tool's telling me that it's super easy. So I'll be definitely targeting that. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoy. And if you are new, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.